मल्टीप्लिकेशन में ट्रिपल इंटू सिंगल की प्रैक्टिस करनी है आप लोगों को।
ओके सर।
अजित करवाइए बेटा।
987 into 9. 883. Correct. 763 into 6.
4, 5, 7, 8.
Correct. 876 into 4.
3504.
3504. Correct. 872 into 5.
4360.
Correct. 891 into 7. 6237. Correct. 891 into 3.
2, 6, and 3.
Right. 845 into 6.
570.
Correct.
5070.
5070.
Saksham Skills Development Academy Abacus Course Age Group 1st to 9th. Make your child faster than calculator. Right finger arithmetic analysis, right finger brain development, right finger accuracy, right finger congratulation and creativity, right finger unique, right finger self-confidence. Praveen Yadav Sir, Abacus Trainer. Cell phone with arrow 8397979511. SAKSHAM Skills Development Academy Abacus Course Age Group 1st to 9th.